Hi everybody, today we have a new IMP experience. We will taste how extra virgin olive oil impacts on different dishes. Let me explain why. Extra virgin olive oil, as you know, is very important in modern cuisine because it brings aromas and tastes very different according to the variety of which the olive oil is made. Today we experiment the impact of two different oils on the same food, which is scrambled eggs. So the first thing that we do is to prepare the scrambled eggs. We get the two eggs. I put all together because I want to be sure that the eggs that I'm going to scramble have exactly the same taste. Now I put just a few drops of one oil and a few drops of the other oil in the other part. Okay? And now we are going to prepare the two pans. So now we put the egg, something like this. Of course I have put the two different oils in the two pans. Now we taste the two dishes. Here on my left side there is the scrambled egg with Gran Cru 40 Rubie, the Maurino extra virgin olive oil, and here with the Gran Cru Morone with the Caninese extra virgin olive oil. We use a table. This is the table that we use, the form. The first impact on pleasantness, which means how it looks at the very beginning. The intensity of aromas, the intensity of colors, the bitterness, the sweetness, the sourness, the saltiness and the umami, the five basic tastes. After that, we will assess the equilibrium of primary tastes, the texture, the persistence of the taste in your mouth, and at the end we will appreciate and measure the final cleanliness of the mouth. For each one of these dimensions we will give a mark between 0 and 10. First of all, just a look at the two different dishes, and you can see they look differently because also if the eggs were exactly the same, with two different oils they look differently. And probably this one is a bit more pleasant. There are some more gray colors here and less gray color here. So I will give a higher mark to this one. Look now at the colors. This is brighter and this is darker. So also the intensity of the color is higher here than in that one. For the intensity of colors, I will give an 8 to this one, to 6 to this one. The intensity of aromas, I just to smell them, something like this. And you will feel that the aromas are different. Not only they have different aromas, but also the intensity is different. In this case, this one is higher, so I will give quite strong. I will give an 8 to this one and a 7 to this one. Now let's taste the two eggs. This one, and I will try to measure the bitterness. And now with this one, as you can see, I use different cutlery, different spoon and different knife, because I don't want to contaminate the two things. Definitely, this one is a bit bitter, more bitter than this one, a bit more bitter than this one. So I will give indeed, of course, it's not as bitter as a 10, but is on the 6, I would say. So I give a 6 to this one, and I give a 4 to this one. These are the results of the tasting. Also, two other tasters have tasted the dish. This is the chart that summarizes the results. As you can, this is a radar plot. The red line is the Gran Cru 40 Rubie, is the Maurino variety. and the blue line is the Gran Cru Morone, the Caninese variety. All the radius are the different dimensions, from the first impact of pleasantness, the intensity of aromas, intensity of colors, bitterness, sweetness, and so on. And as you can see, the two oils have different impact on the same dish. And that is the most important lesson. Different extra virgin olive oils have different impact on the same dish, and not because one is better than the other one, but because you can use them differently according to what you wanted to get. Thank you very much.